This 5-minute solution will show you how to delete Facebook post on a page. Follow these easy steps to know how to delete a post from a Facebook page. First of all, go to your Facebook, and now we need to switch to our Facebook page. So tap on menu, tap on this arrow icon, and select your Facebook page. And now go to your page profile, and here scroll down, and for example, I want to delete this post. So I'm going to tapping on this three dot and tapping on delete. Delete post, and the post has been deleted. And if you want to delete multiple posts at the same time, then here you will get manage post option. Tap on that and tap on published, and here you will get all of your published post. From here you can select multiple post, and now tap on edit and tap on move to trash, and those photos will be deleted from your Facebook page. This is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.